मकबूजा कश्मीर के योम इस्तेहसाल की एक तकरीब अंकारा में पाकिस्तानी सिफारत खाने में मुनक्किद हुई। तुर्की की सिविल सोसाइटी, ज़राए इब्लाग, थिंक टैंक और पाकिस्तानी कम्यूनिटी ने तकरीब में शिरकत की। सदर मुमलिकत डॉक्टर आरिफ अलवी और वज़ीर आज़म इमरान खान के पैगामात पढ़कर सुनाए गए। रुकन तुर्क पार्लियामेंट असमान अर्दवान ने मजलूम कश्मीरियों के लिए तुर्की की हमायत का अयादा किया। काबिज़ भारतीय फ़ौज के कश्मीरियों पर तशद्दुद की मज़म्मत की।
Persecutions and attacks against innocent civilians in the region. It is of paramount importance to unveil the double standards adopted by Western countries towards the Jammu and Kashmir and other problems the Muslims have faced around the globe. I deem it a moral duty and responsibility to raise this issue in international fora and to call for international support to the people of Jammu and Kashmir. As stated by His Excellency President Recep Tayyip Erdogan in his historic speech addressed in Pakistan's parliament on February 14, 2020, Kashmir is as important to Turkey as it to Pakistan. His Excellency also raised the Kashmir issue at the United Nations General Assembly in September 2019 and pointed to the worsened suffering of the Kashmiri people due to the unilateral steps unlawfully taken by India.
पाकिस्तानी सफ़ीर साइरस सज्जाद काजी ने कश्मीरियों की हमायत पर तुर्क सदर और अवाम का शुक्रिया अदा किया। उन्होंने कश्मीर के तनाज़े को अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा की करारदादों के मुताबिक हल करने का मुतालबा किया।
that they will have their right of self-determination through a UN-administered plebiscite. Not much more needs to be said, except that we must always remind ourselves, remind the international community, remind the United Nations Security Council, and above all, remind India that it is duty-bound and obligated to act as a decent member, civilized member of the international community, and give the right that we all promised to the Kashmiris so long back. Turkish leadership and the Turkish nation is an example for the rest of the international community as to how to approach, how to address and how to speak about an issue such as the Kashmir. The Pakistani people, the Kashmiris, are eternally in debt to our Turkish brothers and sisters for their solidarity and for their principled stand. Turkey's position is that the two countries, Pakistan and India, need to